welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, basically just working in this room. At the beginning of the day, I was shooting a few slack wires downstairs on the 3rd floor, back up here on 6th floor in this conference room. Basically worked in here all day. This stuff is a nightmare. These wood panelings are just atrocious to get out of the ceiling. It's like a drop ceiling, but it's like they slide into the grid, and it's so hard to get them out. I'm not even kidding. So basically I had to take these six spots down for the can lights, and then the neighboring ones as well to work. So I had to take down like 12 tiles, and I have to put 2 back tomorrow, and that one was already gone, and that one doesn't have the clips because whoever hung the ceiling didn't do their job and put the safety clips on the boards, so if it got loose and fell, it would just fall on someone's head if they were standing under it. So basically they need the clips on there, so in case it falls, it'll stay on the ceiling and only drop a couple inches instead of to the ground. But basically there was a wire already here with a temporary light. Wherever that went, I don't know, someone already took it, but there was a temporary light here, so I unwired that and then stuck that wire in, basically the switch leg wire. So from the switch right here, that wire goes up to the light, and then I just daisy chained from there. So ran another wire over to there. So I just took the MC, a roll of MC, fished it, or just pushed it over there, pushed it over there, there, and then back over to this one. Just has 1 wire, and these all have 2 wires. And then made up the can lights, screwed them down to the ceiling, put on the trims, and put on the little bat wings for the supports, if you can see that. Little bat wings to the ceiling grid wires. It just basically holds the MC wire to the grid as a support. And then they're all working, so if you just hit the switch right here, and then they got the lights, so it's nice that they all work. So basically just had the switch off while I was working, and if it random, that's the only thing I don't like about the motion sensor switches, is like if they randomly come back on while you're working, it's not like an on-off switch. If they randomly come back on while you're working, you're gonna get lit up, so that's not good. But yeah, so basically just turned it off and it didn't come back on, so that's good, because otherwise it would have been live in my hands or exploded, because when you cut the MC or whatever, it kind of grounds itself out or whatnot. Kind of all comes to a little point there, but if that makes sense, probably not. But anyways, real big nightmare. And then so this is 6th floor, and then we have to do another floor downstairs on the 5th floor with only 5 can lights. There's 6 up here, but so that's what we'll be working on tomorrow. And then yeah, so anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. These are definitely the worst kind of ceilings I've ever dealt with in my life. So anyways, I kind of found a trick to it. Kind of just have to like push on it with one hand and then bang on it on the other hand, and then kind of push that crack together, and then it just comes down, and then you just pop the clips off. But and then putting them back is even worse. Kind of, you have to move it around like 4 or 5 different times just to like, it's pretty much like one-sided, I believe. Like I swear one crack is bigger than the other side, so you have to find the right side, and then you have to like kind of reverse order, just kind of push it all the way over so that there's no crack, and then get it up and then push back over, because there's like no room for a gap here. So anyways, some lady just walked in on me. So anyways, this is what I'm talking about. They have like a crack in here, and so the grid goes in there, and then the grid goes in here. I feel like one side is bigger than the other, but I'm not sure. But anyways, you have to slide one side over, and then slide this up, and then slide it back over so it'll hold itself. This one doesn't have the safety clips, and these ones do, so that's in case it falls out of the ceiling or whatnot. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna go sign papers for the house, and yeah, so anyways, catch you guys later. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, check out the description, and if I'm missing something, notification bell. If you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams, hit that if you want to. And that'll do it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.